So there's a statement that goes like this: it is not wise to pay too much, but it is worse to pay too little. Hi, Andy here. In this video, we're going to look into why you should not always choose the cheapest option. So most of us associate buying cheap means poor quality and break very fast, and usually does not fit the purpose. But what is the purpose? The purpose and goal of buying has to be right. The purpose is to buy a solution, and the purpose is not to buy cheap. So a lot of us pick the wrong purpose when it comes to the actual buying. They bought cheap instead of solution. So when it comes to buying cheap, usually there's no warranty, and the worst case is no after sales. You are on your own, bro. Or they will tell you something like this: it's like that one. Sounds familiar? So there's a statement that goes like this: it is not wise to pay too much, but it is worse to pay too little. So for example, if you're having a flu and you have $10, you need to spend $4 for the medicine, $5 for the lunch, and you still have $1 balance. But instead, you spend $2 on the medicine, $5 for the lunch, you still have balance $3. It looks like you save $3 instead of $1, but end up you spend another $4 for the same medicine that you bought, because the $2 medicine that you bought was not working. So sometimes if you pay too much, you lose a little, but if you pay too little, you lose everything. Just like the $2 medicine that we mentioned just now. And most likely you will throw the whole strip of medicine away, because the thing that you bought was not capable to solve the problem you intend for them to solve. So in the common law of business, paying a little, getting a lot, well, in reality, it doesn't exist and it can't be done. There's really nothing wrong buying the cheapest option, but you just have to make an informed decision before you decide to buy the cheapest option out there. Some will stay away from the cheapest option based on the past experience, because they realize one thing, and you should know this too: time equal to money, and money equal to time. The faster a product or service resolve the problem or give you the solution that you need, the more price that you need to pay. Or you can keep buying the product or service over and over again at cheap price, but it just doesn't give you the result that you want. Some feel like a champion if they bought something cheap as cheap. But if you are a person that wants quality and appreciate time and speed, you most likely will expect a premium price tag for the service or product that you're looking for. And all this depends on what you buy. I feel like a champion if I bought some cheap toilet roll. But you may say things like, I understand the quality and I understand the price tag, but I just can't afford that. Never mind. Click the link above. Not everything that we provide are expensive. However, if you want some expensive solution that lasts, we can help you to afford one. So that is all today. I hope you get some insight out of this video, and I'll see you in the next video.